PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 18th of April. James Spann here, and it's a quiet morning, but there could be a change pretty quickly tonight as a storm system moves in here from the west. Let's go right to the Skycam shots early this morning. We'll start way down south. Our Skycam at Gulf Shores on top of the Phoenix All Suites, looking back off to the west. Pretty calm down there. From Gadsden, the city down below looking good from our Skycam up on top of Lookout Mountain. And from Walker County, there's the view of downtown Jasper from the King Building. By the way, one note here, not really weather-related. It's a geology issue. There's a map of an earthquake this morning that was at about 4:40 local time or 4:36 local time. And it was centered over the southeastern part of Illinois, near, really close to where Illinois, Indiana, and Kentucky all come together. Actually had some reports of people feeling that down into North Alabama. And that's a 5.4. So that's just kind of breaking as we do this update this morning. But back to weather. Here's a look at our big upper trough coming in from the west. And we'll be watching convection carefully as developments roll along today. There's a look at the ongoing convection off to the west coming off the Shreveport radar. Really, the storms have weakened a good bit overnight, and not much in the way of severe weather now. That line is trucking down Interstate 20. It's out there around Minden, Louisiana, and that will be coming through here tonight. There is a slight risk of severe weather in advance of that over southeast Louisiana, South Mississippi, and the southwestern corner of Alabama. That would include Washington, Mobile, and Baldwin counties. And there's no formal risk up here. We don't expect a major problem, but as always, hey, this is April. You have to watch those things carefully. The expected rain, this is suggesting 1/2 to 1 inch with this graphic, with 1 inch near, say, Hamilton, but I think amounts of 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch are probably a better forecast for most of North Alabama. Midday today from the GFS, the OZ run, there's the trough at 500 millibars off to the west at the surface. The surface low is between Des Moines and St. Louis with a trailing band of showers and storms. And if anything, the GFS might be a little too slow here since really those storms are pretty much along that line now. Tonight at midnight, the GFS has the storms coming on through here. And a quick peek at the instability, just not impressive. Just barely a little bit of positive cape, and that's about it. Hopefully that will prevent the major severe weather problem. And there is a degree of helicity here. This is the 0 to 1 kilometer helicity late tonight. So, again, we'll watch it. There could no doubt be some strong storms, some good dynamic support, but the thermodynamics looks fairly marginal. Then tomorrow at midday, the showers are out of here. We think the rain will be ending early in the day, the sky becoming partly sunny. Sunday, a beautiful day, mostly sunny, will be close to 80. Monday of next week, big storm out in the Pacific Northwest and the Northwest United States, but around here, should be a pretty quiet day. Dew points will be coming up, and I guess you might mention a small chance of a shower Monday, but most folks ought to be dry. Tuesday, the storm lifts north into Canada, and we stay under ridging, so it looks warm. Low 80s, and again, any showers, very, very isolated. And pretty much the same deal on Wednesday, ridging going on here. Thursday, still we've got ridging. At the surface, again, that looks relatively dry. For now, we had mentioned a pretty good chance of showers and storms on Thursday with the idea of a front making it in here from the north, but looks like we might have to back off on that now. And so really Monday through Thursday of next week looks warm, humid, and any showers very isolated. And then finally Friday, that begins to drift down in here, so it might be a week from the day when that thing finally kind of drifts in here. And then on Saturday, the following day, the 26th, now we got a trough forming, and that'll push that thing on in here. So the 25th and the 26th, Friday and Saturday, could be relatively wet, if that's right. Quick peek at the end of the cycle, May 3rd, kind of a ridge here that looks relatively benign and relatively warm. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless. Weather.